Hi, in this Konstru demo, we will look at the model merge workflow. Model merging is a process whereby two building models can be compared via a user-defined geometric tolerance. For objects found to match within the tolerance, data can be transferred between models. In this example, we will demonstrate using model merging to update a Revit model with data from a RAM structural system model. The workflow can be broken down into three stages. Stage 1, upload your models. Stage 2, compare and merge data. And Stage 3, update the original model with information obtained from the merge. We will begin by creating two empty Konstru models. This is done via a browser interface. First, I will create a container for my Rivet model, and then I will do the same thing for my RAM model. The next step in the process is uploading, and we will start with Revit. I'm focusing on a single floor plate here, and I'm going to use the temporary visibility graphics menu to limit what is shown in this view to only structural framing objects. Limiting what is uploaded to Konstru gives users the best opportunity to manage what updates will be made to their file. With my selection created, I'm now going to launch Konstru and point to the model container I had made previously. I want to be sure that I check the Upload Selection of Elements button, so I'm able to choose the active selection for upload. And finally, I will use the View Model button to review via the web interface the objects that were uploaded. Next, we will upload our RAM model. First things first, close down your RAM file as Konstru RAM is launched from the Windows Start menu. With the model container chosen, I will then upload the RAM model, making sure to update the shared results, and then pointing to the specific RAM model I'm looking to upload. With the upload complete, I will again use the View Model button to review what's been added to my Konstru RAM model. With both Revit and RAM models uploaded to Konstru, now it's time to merge information between the two. Launching the web interface, I will choose the model I wish to merge information into first. I can then choose the Compare and Merge option and the model I wish to merge information from. The web interface will now show me an overlay of the two models, which allows me to notice that in this particular case, there is a misalignment between level 4 in RAM and that same level in Revit. For basic vertical translation issues, the grid and level tags in Konstru Online can help users. For more complex transformations, however, reach out to Core Modeling for assistance. In this case, we have a simple vertical offset between the two models, which by applying a Z value difference allows us to have the two models in alignment. Now we will configure the merge settings. There are many options available. First of all, we have a tolerance. You can identify by geometry or ID. Critically here, we are going to uncheck many of the attributes so that they are not going to be added to the Revit model. We will also not add new objects to Revit. We will additionally filter down which objects from RAM are able to be merged with Revit. With these merge settings in place, we will recalculate and see the result, which is a subset of the beams in Revit that have a match in RAM, having their data updated. Lastly, we click the Merge button, and we are creating a new version now of the original Revit upload that includes the data added from RAM. The final step in today's demo is updating the Revit model with the information added from RAM. Back to Revit, I'm going to open up my two-dimensional plan view. You can see that the size tag has been added, but there's no other information. I'll choose the Revit model that I just merged with RAM, choose the Download button, In this case, you'll notice that there is a new group being added to the model. This is the Konstru Merged Changed group. Any objects that have had their data updated by Konstru during a merge process will be added to this group and can be selected in the Revit model post-download. You can see here I'm going to make a selection of those objects that were changed, and in this way we can see that there is some objects in Revit that we're not able to find a match in the RAM model.